In this video, let me show you how to swap faces onto any picture for free. First, open your browser on your mobile device, click the search bar and search Remake AI Face Swap. After that, click the first link that appears, and here, just click the upload image and search for an image you want to swap, or you can try the images that provided. Next, upload your target face. Let's just click the provided images. After that, just click the swap button and wait for it to load. And now you can see the results. You can download the image you just generated or you can upscale it to HD. Let's download the image. After downloading it, click the open button that pops up at the top. And that's it. You're now able to create a realistic deepfakes using AI. Thanks for tuning in to How to Doctor. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them below. And we'll see you on the next video.